Should I do it this way?
Yes, dude. Hey YouTube, got some new parts in. Ordered some things from Buscher Racing. So we'll have an unboxing, an unboxing. Ooh. So this is the thing. Get what it's called all of a sudden. The moustache bar. That's right. How could I forget? I can't grow one. Can't grow a mustache. So there's that. Solid. Comes with hardware. Cool. So not only that, I also picked up side diff mounts. What a pain in the ass. I'd like to thank my photographer, Danny G. Lover. Should have bought these a while ago. They were a lot cheaper. They've gone up in price considerably.
Thanks a lot, Canada, and your tariffs.
That's right. The Canadian aluminum is way more expensive than it used to be. What did he wrap this in?
Liquid metal.
Yeah.
Remember, folks, always cut away from you.
That's right.
This is something your dad should teach you, or your mom's boyfriend, or your mom's girlfriend.
Other boyfriend.
Whatever you guys, you know,
Whatever your
think
mom
is
would
appropriate
do.
in this day and age.
Probably should have done like a pre-prep, like a soft opening. All you have to do is like cut one little thing and it's completely open. Oh, good lord.
This is authentic. I'll sharpen the knife after this.
Yeah, you might have to.
Ooh, it's wrapped up in another package.
It's a package of a package. I wonder who wrapped this, Dave or Dan?
I think it was Dan. Judging by the amount of red tape.
We gotta keep these.
What gauge are those for your ears?
4 gauge.
They look nice.
They will look nice in that ear, won't they?
Ooh, that's pretty.
That's some billet. There you go, not bad, huh? So I have the infamous clunking in the rear end. So 107,000 miles on the car. I figure stuff's old and worn. I'll just replace it. some new stuff. And we'll see if we can get rid of that clunking.
The shop dog 16G is hanging out. He's looking a little old. May have to upgrade. Get a nice FP green puppy or something. Yeah, I said it. Ooh, those are nice.
Not bad, right? So, I didn't see a washer in the other bag though. I don't know if
Both one washer, one for each one, you know? Call them to verify.
yeah.
This come from the great state of Ohio?
It came from the great state of Ohio. Alright, guys.
The butterscotch state.
The butterscotch state, that's right. Oh, what are we using here to do this?
What's in the next shipment?
So there is another shipment coming from STM. Just a couple of factory parts to clean the car up a little bit. But, so when I go to put these on, I'll make a video, guys. Show you how to do it. Alright, thank you.